Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a full comparison between Netbird and Headscale. So which one is the best self-hosted VPN? I'll go over the pros and cons for each. Let's first start with Netbird. Now, let's do the pros. So it's ease of use, right? It's known basically for its user-friendly interface, straightforward setup process. It's basically accessible for users with varying technical backgrounds. Even a beginner could do this, okay? It has really good protection, okay? Strong authentication. It supports multi-factor authentication with popular identity providers like Google, Microsoft, GitHub, even in the free plan, okay? So you can do this with the free plan. As you can see, you can start with free. And if you're wondering about the features, okay, it does offer a lot of different features, as you can see right here. Let's say peer-to-peer connections, auto peer discovery. I know there is access control. There is private DNS and much more. And it does have self-hosted and cloud options. So it provides you both options, both solutions, gives you flexibility in your deployment. And of course, it is open source. Okay, so the self-hosted version is open source, offers you transparency, right, and community support. It also has a free tier, which is important to mention. Generous limits, including unlimited users and devices, basically suitable for small teams and enthusiasts. Now, if you're wondering about the cons, well, there's less control. Okay, while it does offer you flexibility, the cloud hosted version actually has less direct control over the infrastructure compared to Headscale. So let's go over to Headscale, right? Let's do the pros. First of all, it's the self-hosted control. You get complete control over the control server, okay? Which can be appealing for those who prioritize self-hosting. And of course, it is open source. Fully open source allows you customization and community contribution, okay? Also, WireGuard compatibility, both of them have this. So you get secure connections similar to Netbird. Now the cons, okay? It has more of a technical setup, as you can see. So, setting this up, maintaining Headscale can be more complex and it requires more technical expertise than Netbird, okay? Netbird is more simple to set up. And well, if you're wondering about the potential performance, you could get performance differences to Netbird because of its kernel module approach that this one has. And if you're wondering about features, it lacks a lot of features, user-friendly features especially, and integrations that you'll find in Netbird. So let me know which one you'll be going for and why. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.